I'm Chef Kati Luedecke, and I'm a chef here in Austin. I've been here for about 12 years. I'm cooking in the industry. I am an artist by trade, and I really decided to go into food because I loved it. My family is big into food. My dad actually owned a restaurant, before I was born. I just kind of felt really connected to that. Today for the Clay Import Chef series, I'm gonna be making a ceviche. Ceviche means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. What it means to me is it's a marinated fish. It soaks in an acid. I'm gonna be making a tirarito style ceviche today, which is a sashimi style. So it's gonna be thinly sliced. And we're basically making something akin to a tiger's milk, which is gonna be a citrus sauce. So it's gonna have garlic, it's gonna have ginger, it's gonna have chilies in it. And we're gonna make that sauce and blend it up, and then that's gonna get poured on over. I love to travel to Peru. I've been tons of times. I've driven all the way across Mexico. A lot of the flavors are inspired by that. I really wanted to create a dish that was something that was so unique that you could serve as a single portion to someone, or you could share it with a group. And so I worked with Clay Imports to develop this dish, and I think you're really gonna like it.